To be able to track a click with on your website, you're gonna have to set it up with Google Tag Manager. You create an account. It's very easy. You just put in the name, your website, and then you accept. So once you do that, you're gonna go into your workspace for that account. You're gonna go to variables, click on configure, and then click element. Make sure you enable all of them to make sure you have all the options you want. And this is Toby. He's a little schnauzer that lives with me. Then to triggers, you click on new. I'm gonna click on this hero button. Then select click all elements, some clicks, and choose the class of your button. So here I'm going to inspect it. You can see what class name it has. Has the class name of button primary color grading. Okay. I'll copy that and paste it here. Once you do that, you create a tag. Again, hero button. For the tag, you want to set it up with Google Analytics because that's where you want to track your data, right? Set it as an event. Here you're gonna set your category. For example, I'll say hero action click label button. The value, whatever a lead is valuable to you. Maybe it's a lead, it's $5, $10, $20. And then the select settings variable, this is your Google Analytics tracking code. See right here, this is what you would go ahead and find in Google Analytics. So once you insert it in there, that should enable itself. Once you insert your Google Analytics tracking code, you're gonna choose the trigger that you want and save that. You click on submit, add a description, it can be whatever you want, publish it, and sing like no one's listening. Then from here, and we go to real time events, you should be able to see that click. Let's see. And there we go. See? It is very simple. You can go back and watch this video in slow-mo or whatever you need. But if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.